We are at the entrance of our production workshop. At first, we would like to introduce tube production. Here is our automatic, this part is our automatic tube groove machine. This is the product, is the finished product made by this machine. It makes the groove pressing automatically. And the right hand, the workers just need to put the material into the slot. Then the machine will produce the groove automatically. On the right hand is our tube tapping machine. It's also automatic. It's used for tapping on the inside of the tube ends. Now for the tube production, we mainly use the automatic machine to speed up our production capability. So our workers is very comfortable and efficient. And these are tube material. And for tube packing process, we have both labor work and automatic machine. This here is our labor work. And this is our automatic tube machine, tube cutting machine. So for tube production, we already use the automatic machine to do the process. By our manufacturer experience, we think automatic machine is not only increase our production capability, but also upgrade our product quality and our managing efficiency. Next,